What are the risks and benefits of investing in Bitcoin for beginners? Are there any tips on how to get started with Bitcoin without losing a lot of money? Oh, Bitcoin, that digital gold that is constantly making headlines every time it skyrockets or plummets. Let me break it down for you. Benefits. Decentralization. One of the hallmarks of Bitcoin is that it's decentralized. This means no single entity controls it. Think of it as an economy that's not in the hands of any government. Potential for growth. The notorious price surges of Bitcoin have made millionaires out of early adopters, and while past performance isn't indicative of future results, the potential for significant growth remains enticing. Liquidity. Bitcoin is arguably the most liquid investment asset due to the establishment of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages. You can easily trade Bitcoin for cash or assets like gold with incredibly low fees. New opportunities. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading is relatively young and can offer exciting opportunities that aren't available on the traditional stock market. Risks. Volatility. The flip side of potential growth is the extreme volatility. Prices can swing wildly by the minute. This is not for the faint-hearted or for those who need stable returns. Security concerns. Hacking and fraud are real threats. Despite the blockchain's security, exchanges and wallets are vulnerable to breaches. Regulatory uncertainty. The future is cloudy with a chance of regulation. There's no telling how governments might want to control cryptocurrency. Market development. It's still an emerging market. Less historical data means it can be harder to predict and strategize. Tips for beginners. 1. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. There's no need to dive into the deep end straight away. 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and the technology behind it. Blockchain. Use resources from reputable sources. 3. Secure wallets. Choose a reputable digital wallet to store your Bitcoins. Consider hardware wallets for additional security if you're dealing with significant sums. 4. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket. Diversifying can help mitigate risk. 5. Have a strategy. Decide in advance how much you want to invest and at what point you will take profits or cut losses. Stick to your plan. 6. Stay updated. The cryptocurrency world moves fast. Stay in the loop with news and trends. 7. Avoid the hype. Don't let FOMO, fear of missing out, drive your decisions. Emotional investing can be costly. 8. Long-term mindset. If you're not trading frequently, consider a long-term approach. Bitcoin has seen its value increase substantially over the years for those who have held on through the bumps. Remember, as with any investment, there's no surefire way to profit without risk. But armed with knowledge and a sensible approach, you can explore the world of Bitcoin in a way that's best for you. And hey, I'm just a guy in Portland who enjoys the simplicity of a good cup of coffee and the serenity of the Oregon coast. Far cry from the roller coaster world of cryptocurrencies. Nevertheless, wherever you are, tread carefully in the world of investing. Happy investing, my friends.